All right, for the second part of this homework, we're going to take a look and finish up the whole thing. So it says, describe the motion of the puppy over the whole time interval shown. So the puppy moves forward. Oh, it's bad writing. Whoops. So here, the puppy moves forward for 2 seconds at 4 meters per second, back for 1 second at 3 meters per second, and forward again for 2 seconds. No. So back for 1 second. At 3 meters per second. Sorry, this is so gross. And then it stops. Awesome. Now, we're not going to do motion maps, but we are going to get the displacement using the area. So from 0 to 2 seconds, that's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8 meters. And that's the displacement from 0 to 2 seconds. Awesome. Now, continuing here, we're going to skip the motion map part, but we are going to describe the motion. So the object moves forward for 2 seconds at a speed of 2 meters per second. It stops for 1 second and goes back at 1 meter per second for 4 seconds. All right. Now here, this is interesting because we start here and we're going to actually do a graph. So we start off, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a number of seconds, so we'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we start off at 5. 1 second later, we're at 4. 1 second after that, we're at 3. 1 second after that, we're at 2. Let's just double check. So 0 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. At 4 seconds, we're in the same place. At 5 seconds, we're at the same place. At 6 seconds, we start moving backwards. At 7 seconds, we're at 0. At 8 seconds, we're at 0. At 9 seconds, we're at 0. At 10 seconds, we're at 2. And at 11 seconds, we're at 4. So we can actually draw the graph like this and finish it like that. So we describe the motion of the object in words. So object moves back at 1 meter per second for 3 seconds, sits still for 2 seconds, moves back at 1 meter per second for 2 more seconds. For the last 2 seconds, goes forward at 2 meters per second. So that problem is way harder than something I'd put on your test, but it is the kind of problem I want you to be familiar with to practice in class. So that wraps up our homework on the addendum to the honors and to the regular physics homework.